Okay, here we have an LG V30 Plus. It's an Android phone, and let's see how to restart this phone. One way to restart it is to hold the power button on the back of the phone, hold it for a few moments, and here we have power off and restart. If you press that button, then you will be asked if you really want to restart or not. Okay, so let's cancel it. And another more brutal way to restart it is to hold the same button, but hold the volume down button also, so two of them together at the same time for a longer period. At the first second, first of all, it will create a screen capture, but if you keep on holding those two buttons, the volume down and the power, then it will show a message that it will restart your phone if you really keep on holding those buttons. So let's just try them. So volume down and the power button. Press and hold those buttons. First it creates that screen capture. Press and hold it. Now it's warning us, and press and hold it, and now it is restarting. Now you can release it. So the phone, the LG V30 Plus, was brutally restarted. That's not the nicest method, but it is still working. So if your phone is not reacting to any commands, then you can try that one also. And now it should come back. Plus February 7. The date was lost before. Now the date is back, and the clock is 15 and 10, and that is okay also. So before I tried it, it lost the date completely, but now it's back. Okay, so these are two ways to restart your LG V30 Plus.